Hi peeps, it's Awesome to see you again. In this exclusive episode, 24 divided by 8, which equals 3, and 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Now we have this problem, 3 divided by 3, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So we have 3 divided by 15 divided by 5, and we can write this part as 3 over 15 divided by 5. So we must keep the first fraction 3 over 15 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 5, which equals 3 over 75. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.